Hey, Amaludians, I welcome every one of us to another profitable and prosperous trading week. For those of you guys that have been following our weekly market top down analysis for the past 4 months, you can testify that we have been dropping back to back consistent, successful signals in our Telegram signal channel. And if you are watching this video for the first time and you are here to be part of our Telegram community, you can use the link in this video description to join and access our A plus setup for this prosperous week. As you all know, there is one uniqueness about us, we the Amaloaded Forex Institute, is we are top-down market analysts. Whatever we are doing in the market that has nothing to do for us to predict the market, to run a top-down, scale-down market analysis, we don't have any business to do with that. The only truth that we stand for, or what we use in the market, is to run a top-down market analysis. Using this approach for many years now has been one of our pillars that has been helping us to make money in this forex business consistently. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through all the A plus setups that I have on the following pairs on my watch list. The first currency pair that I want to break down for you guys is pounds against US dollar, British pound against US dollar. If you look at what the structure of the market is doing currently on 4 hours time frame, you agree with me that when market is trending down, let's say we're having something like this, market is trending down like this, kind of like giving us when market is trending down like this, we're having low, lower high, lower low. This pattern represents bearish market structure. The rule says that the recent lower high during this bearish market structure must not be taken out. Price can retrace 50% like this and sell down, or can give us 100% retracement and sell down. But price must not trade above this lower high. The moment you realize that the bearish structure has been invalidated as a result of this lower high being invalidated, being taken out, or being intercepted, that shows that the buyers are now the one in charge of the market. So as a professional price action trader, that you are a top-down market analyst, you have to switch your market sentiments or bias to trade along with the ruler of the market, which are the buyers. On 4 hours time frame now, you agree with me that the market was trending down at last week, whereby we had this major breakdown or breakout from high to lower low, lower high, lower low. This was the pattern last week. We were expecting the market to give us a new lower high for the continuation of this bearish structure. But what happened? Price failed to form a new lower high. Price failed to form a new lower high. The recent lower high during this bearish market condition last week has been taken out, which was this. And price formed from this recent low to give us a new high. Now we're expecting a new higher low for the continuation of this market condition or market structure on 4 hours time frame of British pound against US dollar. Remember, trend is our friend. We don't trade against the friend. We don't trade against the friend. We trade along with the ruler of the market. If the buyers are the one in charge of the market, we trade along with them. If the sellers are the one in charge of the market, we trade along with them. Now, price is already at the key level zone, serving as our point of interest for us to take a buy opportunity, right? Remember, this particular zone was serving as support from history. It was serving as support here. Price broke it, retested it, right? Serving as resistance here. It was serving as resistance here. Then price approached it, this resistance zone last week. We're expecting price to continue to sell downward. But unfortunately, price broke the resistance. Now, price is kind of like retesting this broken resistance, now turned to support for the continuation of the bullish structure. So our major sentiment now on 4 hours time frame is for us to look for buy opportunity. And you can see that the price action is approaching the key level zone, serving as support on 4 hours time frame right now, right? And as the price action is approaching this support, we can see some signs that the buyers are well positioned at this key level zone, whereby we have weak rejection, right? And you can see this sharp weak rejection says a lot, that there are a lot of aggressive buyers at this point of interest here. That is sign number one. So what we have to do, for those of us that know our entry system, you know that we don't use higher time frame for execution. We scale down to our lower time frame, either 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame for our execution, by watching out for candlesticks that represent the presence of buyers at our point of interest. So what we are expecting now is to take buy opportunity around this zone here and buy to the upper side, and we target this resistance here on 4 hours time frame. So right now on our entry time frame on pounds, British pound, US dollar, there is no entry signal at the moment. So we are exercising patience for price action to give us our entry signal formula. So if we are unable to see this signal on our entry time frame, there is no way we are going to execute this buy position. There is tendency for price to break this zone here and start selling down. But right now, there is no entry sign on our time frame at the moment. But our present market sentiment is to buy from this support zone. That is our A+ market view or market setup on pound US dollar. So the next pair that I'm currently watching on my watch list is EURUSD. And looking at EURUSD at the moment, you can see that the EURUSD is kind of like giving us a retracement structure right now. What things is going to happen is either we wait for this EURUSD to trade within this key level zone. We have this zone serving as support, this zone serving as what? Resistance. Two things must happen. And if you look at the downtrend line on EURUSD, from this zone here to this place here, you can see this downtrend line has been invalidated. Or if you want to connect it from here, like according to our strategy, we don't use the wicks of the candlesticks to establish our trend line. We use the body. Some trader will say establish your trend line using the wicks of the candlestick. Nothing is wrong with that. In as much as working for you, you can use the wicks of the candlestick to establish your trend line. But we prefer to use the body of the candlestick to establish our trend line. You understand? So if you are watching this, don't try to say what you are doing is wrong. If you are using the wick, if you are using the body, the most important thing is that in as much it is working or it is giving you the kind of result that you want, stick to it. Stick to that. You don't have to change it. Now you can see that this price action broke this long-term downtrend line, broke it to the upper side. So I believe that the price action is kind of like trying to retest it, whereby we're having trend line break and retest. So this is a downtrend line breakout now. That's representing that the buyers are going to buy this market at the retest of this downtrend line breakout to the upper side. And if you look at there is a support level right here at the retest of this downtrend line breakout. This long-term downtrend line breakout. Price broke it here, tapped this resistance zone here. Price struggled to break the resistance to the upper side. Then the seller pushed it down to this key level zone here on 4 hours time frame. And at this support level, we have established this long-term downtrend line. And this downtrend line is no longer a downtrend line anymore. It's now a downtrend line breakout. And a downtrend line breakout represents that the buyers are now successfully in charge of the market. So what we're expecting now is price to give us entry formation here at the retest of this downtrend line breakout. Then we take a buy opportunity. Or we wait for price to break this support here, give us a retest here, then we take a buy opportunity. Those are the 2 points of interest that we have right now on Euro USD. The first point of interest is our first POI 1. Let me increase the font size. These are points of interest POI 1 and our POI 2. This space is serving as our POI 2. So we want the price action to buy around this zone to the upper side here, or we want the price action to break this guy here, then give us a retest here so that we can take sell opportunity. That is what we are anticipating on Euro USD. The next pair on my watch list is AUD US dollar. Looking at AUD US dollar now, right now, you agree with me that the structure of this market is kind of like back to bearish right now, whereby we had equal high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and price broke out the recent higher low on AUD USD currently. So what we're expecting now is price action to break this key level zone here. So if price action can break this key level zone here to downside, we're going to wait for a retest here, then take sell opportunity on Euro USD. Or price can give us a retest back at this resistance zone here. We can anticipate for price to give us a retest here so that we can take sell opportunity. Or price can still break it to the upper side, wait for a retest here, then we take buy opportunity. But we will prefer price action for us to confirm that this market is going to sell on AUD USD. We want the price action to break this support here, then we wait for a retest so that we can take sell opportunity on AUD USD. And the next currency pair on my watch list is EURCAD. And looking at EURCAD price action right now, you will agree with me that the initial structure, like as at a week ago or 2 weeks ago on EURCAD, was bearish structure, whereby we had low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then price form equal low for us. And this equal low, price change the direction from bearish market structure back to bullish market structure, whereby we are having from low equal low back to new higher high. So we're expecting higher low here, then continuation to form a new higher high, higher low, higher high on EURCAD. And if you look at the price action interpretation of this equal low on EURCAD, you agree with me that this is a clear double bottom, and double bottom represents bullish reversal chart pattern, right? So what we're expecting, our point of interest right now, is to wait for price to come and retest the neckline of this double bottom. We want something to come to this zone here so that we can take buy opportunity to the other side. And another angle for us to validate our bullish sentiment is that this long term, or I mean this short term downtrend line has been invalidated, right? Because price rejected here, first time, second time, third time, then the fourth time, where upon price broke to the upper side, that changed the direction of the market from bearish market condition back to bullish market condition presently. Now, what we are expecting now as a result of this short term, downtrend line on EURCAD now, that validates our bullish sentiment. And if you look at the price action, you can see that we are kind of like having a price action that stand as bullish reversal candlestick sharp pattern. Apart from this double bottom, we have inverse head and shoulder, head, then shoulder. So there is tendency for this price action right now to give us this shoulder validation, right? Then price should retest the retest the right shoulder so that we can take buy opportunity. That is what we are anticipating or expecting on EURCAD. Now the next currency pair is AUDCAD. On AUDCAD right now, the structure of the market is still bullish, right? Whereby we're having low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So currently now, this place is serving as a last higher low, right? This place is serving as last higher low. So I think price is kind of like retesting this support now. They will wait for a massive buy to the upper side. Or price can break this support now, and then wait for a retest here. We take sell opportunity. Or price can take out this resistance like this. Wait for price to break this resistance. Wait for a retest, then we take buy opportunity on on AUDCAD. Now the next pair on my watch list right now is USDCHF, US dollar against Swiss franc. Now looking at the structure on USDCHF, you understand that this was serving as equal highs as at last week. Price was rejected here, price came back again, formed equal highs. Then as a result of that, price now broke the recent higher low during this bullish market condition. We were having something like this: high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high. Then price now broke the structure or invalidated the structure back to bearish market condition. So this was serving as a recent higher low during this bullish market condition. Right now we're having from this equal high, now we're having lower low. So we are expecting lower high for the continuation of this bearish sentiments. So what we are expecting now, price just retested this zone for the past 4 or 6 hours ago, right? So this is zone where we're anticipating for us to take a sell opportunity. Currently, in our VIP mentorship program, we are already selling this USDCHF. Currently, we've executed this trade during the Asia session around this zone here. You understand? We have executed it, and the trade is already running in profit. You understand? The trade is running in profit right now. So this place is our target. This support zone is our target. And if you still want to join this profitable signal that is running in our VIP session, you can join in now. You can execute from here, then put your stop loss here, then you target this support zone. Or if you don't want to join or you are scared, just wait for price to break this key level zone here. This support, wait for price to break this support here, then wait for a retest, then you sell down to this support zone. Now these are the quality A plus setups that I'm watching out for on all these currency pairs that I just analyzed for you guys. And if you are watching this video or you are joining our YouTube community channel for the first time, please do us this beautiful favor by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the like button, turn on the notification button so that you can be part of those who will get notification whenever we upload another special exclusive Forex video tutorial like this. See you next time, guys.